How do I protect my WordPress PDF files from being downloaded? If you want people to view your PDFs but not download them, you can do that. Let me show you how. Right now, anyone can easily download your PDFs. They can click the download button, right-click and save, or use download tools like Internet Download Manager. The solution? Use two plugins, Prevent Direct Access Gold and Watermark WordPress files. These work together to create a secure PDF viewer, where users can read everything but can't download anything. First, install and activate both plugins. Start with Prevent Direct Access Gold, then install Watermark WordPress files. Now go to your WordPress media library, select your PDF and click Configure File Protection. Click Protect this file and choose who can access it, all visitors, logged-in users only, or specific user roles. Save your changes. Next, open your page editor. If you're using Gutenberg, insert the protected PDF block. If you're using Classic Editor, click the Protected PDF button. Select your protected PDF from the library. Now, publish your page. Your PDF is now in a secure viewer. Users can read the entire PDF, scroll through pages, zoom in and out, and navigate the document. But here's what they cannot do. There's no download button, right-click is disabled, they can't select text, and download tools like IDM won't detect the file. That's it. Your PDFs are now fully viewable but completely protected from downloads. One more thing. If you're using Amazon S3 to host your PDF files, Prevent Direct Access Gold has S3 integration. You can set expiration times as short as 5 seconds for signed URLs. This means the link constantly refreshes while users view the PDF, but download tools can't capture it. Subscribe for more WordPress tips that actually work.